gains that we might put up on the, let's see if I've got, yeah, this is probably the most famous, one of the most famous quotes in history, because it really sums up the problem of the fact we've got the greatest markets the world could ever imagine. I mean, imagine being able to own parts of the biggest businesses in the world and putting billions of dollars in them and take it out of, 2 days later. I mean, compared to farms or apartment houses or office buildings where it takes months to close a deal, I mean, the markets offer a chance to participate and invest in earning assets on a basis that's very, very low cost, and instantaneous, huge, all kinds of good things. But it makes its real money if they can get the gamblers to come in, because they provide more action and they're willing to pay sillier fees and all kinds of things. So you have this incredible, huge asset to humanity, but it really makes its money when people are doing stupid things. I mean, that's where the money really is. And Keynes wrote this in 1936. It says 1939 on the slide, but he wrote it in 1936 in the General Theory, that speculators may do no harm as bubbles on a steady stream of enterprise. But the position is serious when enterprise becomes the bubble on a whirlpool of speculation. When the capital development of a country becomes a byproduct of the activities of a casino, the job is likely to be ill done. Well, the stock market, we've had a lot of people into the casino in the last year. You have millions and billions of people have set up accounts where they day trade, where they're selling puts and calls, where they, I would say that you had the greatest increase in the number of gamblers, essentially. And there's nothing wrong with gambling, and they got better odds than they've got if they play the state lottery. But they've had cash in their pocket, they've had action, and they actually have a lot of good results. And if they just bought stocks, they do fine and held them. But the gambling impulse is very strong in people worldwide, and occasionally it gets an enormous shove, and conditions lead to this place where more people are entering the casino than are leaving every day, and it creates its own reality for a while. And nobody tells you when the clock's going to strike 12 and it all turns to pumpkins and mice. But